Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, but I'm not showing you guys how I look right now because your girl looks a hot mess. It's currently a hurricane about to come, so obviously I want to do some crafting since a hurricane is about to come because that's just what I do. So today I will be making some bandana shorts. Well, I'm going to be starting them. I know I'm not going to be finishing them because I'm already hot. These shorts are inspired by the designer J. Abrams. I love to give credit where credit is due. I saw his shorts and I was like, I love these shorts and I want to see if I can make them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, I have more than 4 colors because your girl doesn't know which color she wants to do yet. But speaking of Instagram, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at everything by Maja. Maja is me, Michaela Janae, in case you didn't know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where you're going to get a behind the scenes look at me creating videos, me creating visual content, my businesses, all that type of stuff. Your girl is about to get in her bag and you're gonna see that bag on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Let me tell you what we're gonna need. You're gonna need some elastic, of course. Like all of this came from Walmart except for the bandanas. You're gonna need some satin material. The satin is to line the shorts. I always like to get my satin from Walmart because it is very cheap over there. I think I got a yard of each. So at my local beauty supply store I found all these different colors of bandanas. So this is coming baby blue, but it's really not baby blue, it's turquoise. I got this orange one, I have this lilac one, and I have this yellow one. Now you're also gonna need some thread. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I did a haul and I showed you guys that I got like this big multi-pack of thread from Walmart. So if you guys are into crafting and sewing, make sure you go to your local Walmart and pick out that humongous bag of big, all the colorful threads because that comes in clutch. And as you can see, like, it's see-through. That's why we're going to line it with the material. So I do have a pair of shorts that I'm going to use as a pattern, and as you can see, it's like the size of the shorts, so we don't have a lot of room for error. Lilac and orange. I want to be able to wear the shorts either way, so I want the back to be the front and the front to be the back, if that makes any type of sense. My nails look so good. If you guys are interested in my nails, I am going to be starting to sell press-on nails, so get at me. These are custom made by me. But back to what I was saying, and I have a video on how I made this set. And then I'm thinking this is going to be the other side because you don't want to put purple and yellow together because that's automatically Lakers, so you have to think about, you know, different patterns. Okay, so right now I'm gonna work on a sketch and then I'm gonna come back and we just about to start cutting. Okay, you know me, I just hop on into it. I'm not scared. So I'm gonna do a quick little sketch on my iPad on Procreate, and then I'm gonna come back on here and show you. All right, you guys, so as always, my mother is vacuuming or making some type of noise, but this is my sketch and I actually love it. It looks so nice. Like, look at the shorts. So today we're just going to start cutting stuff out and just hopping into it. I'm so excited to make these shorts. I need them on my body right now. Let's just get into it. I'm about to find me something on Netflix to watch. I just found a little trick that I got from, I think the girl's name is Kiamani Stevenson, and she actually used a paper napkin because it's perfectly rectangle, and she just folded it in half to make her square. So your girl's gonna try this out, and I'm gonna let y'all know if it's a hack or not. Okay, so turns out like nothing's wrong with her pocket method, but it would just be way too small. Like I'm going to make a bigger square pattern. So I have this humongous piece of paper. All right, y'all, so I made it bigger, and I have my two top pieces, and I'm going to fold it good side to good side like that and sew these edges together. So that's what I'm about to go do right now. What's up, y'all? Don't mind my hair. I am in between styles right now. I've kind of been wearing it out a little bit. It's kind of frizzy, but the shape is still cute. So there's that. Finally done with the shorts, y'all. Like, they look so cute, and they're actually so much different than what I have on my sketch. Like, I didn't think I was going to do, you know, the satin hem. It makes it look so much different. I have one pocket per side, so I just think that's so cute because, like I said, I wanted these shorts to be reversible, as you can wear this side as the front, you can wear this side as the front. So I feel like that's just so cute and very innovative. The bandanas were not perfectly symmetrical, so the place that I got these bandanas from, apparently they're just not as perfect. They were kind of like not all perfectly square, so matching the patterns were a little difficult, but they are, you know, close enough. It's not too bad, like you can't notice. But I think these shorts are super cute. I cannot wait to rock these. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram, because that's where you're going to see more pictures than what's on the thumbnails. That's where you see behind the scenes stuff. That's where you see more of Michaela Janae on my Instagram at Everything by Baja. So make sure you're going over there and following me. You gotta just stay tuned for these in the making vlogs. This is something that I'm really passionate about, so I'm so happy to bring more of this to you guys. So make sure you're sharing this video with people who like to create, people who like clothes like this. Just share it, share it, share it. I think that is it. It was not hard, it was fun. I cannot wait to wear these. Y'all are going to see the pictures in the thumbnails, but make sure you check out my Instagram. I think that is it for today's video. I'll holler at you guys in my next one.